So this is where you throw garbage. This is how you do it, people. So we're going upstairs. So it's going to be a little boring because it's continuous monotonous walk. So I'm gonna stop for a while, and if I see something interesting, then I'm going to turn it on. Hello. A little place here. You can take a rest here, and there is a tree house, and we have a super kid flying.
Lovely.
So we're gonna go up there. This is Canopy Corridor.
方的你们是北京来，是河北啊，那有点近。
So now you feel the world is so small.
You go. By yourself.
Okay. That's just oh, he's scared.
让你们先上，你们先上。
谢谢谢谢。
不要我帮你啊。我问你啊，不要在那啊。你快点走了，别把路打扰掉。开始了。对，开始了。准备要开始了。马祖那个。
There is a little bit traffic jam here. So.
You can stay for a while after they finish. We go.
手都收好，手都收好啦。
You scared?
比较窄而已，我们吊桥是比较宽啊，比较窄。它那个稍微1尺的。
Look at this.
北京馬祖啊，大南將軍一度湖南園咩啊？
哦，對。
這邊來這邊廣東一帶。
Wow, look at here.
What is that?
It's a suspension bridge hanging in the sky, and this is arboreal.
你小心點啊！
See,
Don't drop your phone, man.
you can call it air bridge.
几歲了？
Okay?
2歲、3歲。2歲啊！有點太帥了，太帥。
Yeah.
How do we go? How do we go? Go in front of them?
Yeah, I think we should go in front of him.
We should go in front of them.
Yeah, if you're taking photo everywhere, then
人少一點，走不安全。
我也觉得。
I'm scared about.
他们走過了，我们再走。
Let them go first.
这会儿不吓人，走到中间那里的时候感觉吓人了。
哦，这个才几米是吧？
这里不高，这里全树叶，你看不到嘛？下面那边是空的。
也是这么窄吗？
嗯。对，这个必须要妈妈带着走，要不然会掉下去。你怕不怕掉下去？
I can go, bro. This is the fun part. Don't be, I'm here.
Photo everywhere. Probably they should
Yeah.
let us go first.
Yeah, I think we should go first. 谢谢。
谢谢。
We go first. You guys are taking photo everywhere. We go first.
好了，OK 了，OK 了，OK。
我们先走，你们慢慢拍呗。
Because
对，我们走得快。
yeah, we don't stop. We move.
Take photo. What is this for?
To go there, I guess. This is emergency access, bro.
This is already very
Deep. It's really high.
Don't drop your bottles.
If I drop my bottle,
Put it steady.
I cannot do anything, bro.
Yeah, still they're taking photo everywhere.
Yeah,
We wait for them.
we wait for them.
Yeah, after they go, we go.
Look at
Maybe
this.
you'd like to go a little bit?
I like to go, bro.
I like this.
So I think we should go first.
This is getting scary, man.
Yeah, they're taking photo everywhere. So I'm gonna go first.
OK，再走。
Oh shit.
Look at this, how deep it is.
再往前，再往
That's
前。
that's nice, bro.
Yeah, I want to take photo
这里
too.
都不吓人，都有前面一个电桥。
好，再往前一点。
Oh, this is fun. This part is fun. This is real rainforest. Look at this. Look at the trees.
I don't want to have a traffic.
There's a traffic jam here.
They are stalking everywhere.
Yeah,
不要走，因为它前面太多人了。
摇晃太严重啊！
对，
来过来啊！对啊，
don't drop your phone.
手机掉就完蛋。好，手上了1、2、3，好。
好，可以。林玉美要拍2张，你不知道。
Go, 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 go.
往前。
多拍一张来，可以了。
一会儿前面有无人机帮你们免费拍。
哦，好啊。
不是免费拍，它收费的拍，无人机拍的，有视频。对，要赶紧走。
我还不要走啊。
要走。
这上面很危险，人全部掉上来了。
堵车了，堵车了。
堵车了，堵车了，堵车了。堵车了，堵车了，堵车了。
This is a lot of fun. Wow, look at this trunk we're on. Look at this
我
trunk.
们先走一会儿再过
I
去。
can't believe it.
Fantastic, bro.
我们走一会儿再过去。
This is fucking real forest, man. Terrified. 我们等会
对，给他们走一下的。
Man, wait.
You-
Wait.
等一下他们走过去。
Wait for these people.
很危险，这个太晃了，一会儿。哦，那你们走前面吧。
Okay.
你们走前面。
We let them go first.
I don't know. They want to go.
Go. Okay. Go. Don't sway. You'll be fine, bro. This is fun. It's scary and fun. I'm taking video.
然后前面就有无人机的。
We are almost through. We are almost through. We are almost through. Here we go. So let me say hello.
A little bit scary, man. Yeah. Especially this little platform, I don't feel safe.
Let's go. Okay, let's go. This is a little higher, so you don't need to worry. So you just go.
心惊胆战就对了。
I think in front it's the highest part, right?
Yeah, it's pretty sturdy.
个子高了你就蹲一点，它就没那么晃。
The only thing you should do is just move forward.
不发凉了，看着下面就发凉。很高嘛，
So it says pass quickly.
对吧？
So here on this board it's written pass quickly. 8 we stuck here. All right, so
他们先走。
oh, 谢谢。
明明是这样来的。
Bus, don't drop your phone. Don't drop your phone.
Never mind.
That's wise. Very good. Very safe. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
Concern.
你要不要先走？你要不要先走？
可以。
你在前。
台湾来的。
呀，
台湾。 大陆人民欢迎你们
啊，
大陆人民欢迎你们，
也欢迎你过去。
宝岛台湾。
台湾去过呀，神木公园、
哦，不是阿里山吗。
阿里山。
阿里山。
Now we stuck here again. This is not. You can see how high it is. Look at this tree. Look at the height of that tree. God. Look at that road, how down that road is from here. Actually, we were there before. We came from there. There's a drone taking photos.
他这个一会儿收费的，这个你们每个人都会给你们拍。
There's a drone taking photos. And look at this, how deep that is. And look at this.
这样，40米，没有人把那个设备。
来，我们可以慢慢往前走啊。
因为拦着你看到没有？你看工作人员在。
This is a place for taking photo. Look at that drone.
这个降落机就往晚。
Hello.
啊，你好，稍微等一下。
对不对？
Bye bye.
等他们走完 ，Let's go。对，等一下。他们走完了，
不用走完，稍微走过一点，没那么蹲。
好。
So how high is this? Can you guess? It's pretty high.
Let's
好
go。，
然后我们可以慢慢往前走。
Go. 谢谢。Hello. This is the drone. I'm also taking a photo. Oh, this is a little bit scary. I hope Cedric is doing fine. Ooh. This is Xishuang. That's fun. I'm almost through. That is so much fun. So you're gonna have adrenaline dump. This one. So look at this.
This is scary. I'm looking at the drone all the time.
Yeah, you didn't look down.
No.
花这个时间还是值得的，体验一下，人生就是体验，人生就是体验。
Waiting for them to go. It's almost done, bro. We're almost done.
这些老人家都在。
So let's go. I'm going, okay? So I'm moving forward. this. Sorry if the video is rocking. Pass quickly.
拍好了吗？拍好了啊！我转身喽。
You wanna go first?
No, no, go ahead.
All right, Jay.
After you.
After me? Sounds good. I didn't remember before. I have a wallet in my pocket. And all my identity documents and everything. And my trouser has no zipper. I'm a little worried if it falls, then I could never find it. And they are not moving. Move. Go. I don't know. Go, go, go.
要照相。
Heavy traffic. Such a
Thank you.
say hello.
Hello.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong?
Yeah.
So you can speak Cantonese.
Xishuangbanna.
Xishu.
Hi. So are you also from Hong Kong?
Sure.
Are you also from Hong Kong?
No, I'm not from Hong Kong. I'm from New Jersey.
New Jersey. You're coming from the States.
Yes.
Wow. But I live in Hong Kong.
I live in Hong Kong. That's a nice place. I was in Hong Kong in past February.
Really?
I was in Hong Kong and Japan.
Japan. Which one do you like more, Hong Kong or Japan?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
I really enjoy the
Food?
food.
Yeah.
Plus, I have many friends.
And family members, I guess.
Live in Hong Kong.
But you speak Cantonese, right?
No, I don't actually.
谢谢。
A little bit.
Okay.
唔該，多謝。
Gọi đỡ chế. Ngõm chế. I'm worried about my friend. He's scared of height.
One more. We still have.
Just one more, bro. Hi.
It's loose board.
Oh, you can go fast. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
He's surviving. We're done. Game over. It was fun. It was fun. You want to do it again?
I don't think so. I was wondering how did they build this bridge? I have to climb up the tree first to install this.
还是政府。因为我带你们去那个文化山里面有台政府，里面有一棵树，全世界都只有一棵那个地方。哦，真的。叫。
So we're climbing down this huge tree.
就野生大象。
Wow. Oh, I have. I think you have.
It's your photo.
That's me.
I'm going to buy for you.
Yes. Yeah. You should come to Hong Kong. Let's see.
Let's go out first.
Okay. I think we should invite him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lang Kui Fong.
Long Kwa Fong. Oh wait.
走过树关走廊的游客，
是。
可以下来看看无人机帮大家在最高最险的地方画个视野。
So you can see the video here. That's the drone thing. It's okay. They have the video. Oh, that is me. You see that? That's too far. And behind is him. Yeah.
往前还得再走2步，离地表也没卖了，这会儿不垫肚子，待会儿饿了渴了可没地方找补了。约会的朋友请留步，人是专业的吗？现在的美味可别错过。
They are still giving vibes of rainforest, but this is